Hi everyone, welcome back to Techies. Today we are going to cover how to create a users in Microsoft Azure using azure.portal.com. Uh, Now I'm going to talk about something about Azure, Microsoft Azure. The Azure provides a powerful way to manage your Azure resources directly from the command line, or you can directly from the Microsoft Azure.com. In this video, I will guide you through creating a new user with all using uh, commands also. Um, well, walk through login into Azure for creating a user. Everything is set up correctly. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Uh, let's get start. Uh, First, you have the Azure CLI installed. You can download it from Azure website. If you haven't already, right, let's get started. Firstly, you have to go to azure.com, Microsoft Azure.com, and then you have to search users. You have to search users. Then you have to click on. Here is some I have already created before. You have to click on Firstly you have to click on new create new user. Then you have to fill all the necessary informations like first user principal name like Azure 1, and then has your domain name, and then this is mail nickname. Now you have to write your display name like Azure dot 8, and then you have to fill password. If you create your own password, you can clear auto generate password, and then you have to write your own password. Then you have to click on review plus create. Now here is the basic information that you have to fill before. Then you have to click on create, but this is not showing. You can refresh it. Here's your users that you have created. Now you can click on new Azure 8. Here is This is a user have successfully created. Once you have filled all the necessary informations details, you have successfully created a new user. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a thumb up. And if you are new here, make sure hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below and I will happy to help.